my AndWin Tech channel. Today I'm going to show you in this video how to fix YouTube error 400 on your Android mobile. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting YouTube error 400 on your Android mobile, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, first of all, you need to open the settings. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see your systems, just tap on that. In this you will find date and time, just tap on that. Guys, you can see here set time automatically. If this option is disabled, just enable this option. After that, below you will find set time zone automatically. If this option is also disabled, just enable this option. Then go back and check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then try the second method. You need to turn off your mobile data. After turn off your mobile data, once you have to restart your mobile and check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then try the third method. Just tap on the settings, scroll down a little bit. You will find apps, just tap on that. Here you need to find YouTube. Just tap on the YouTube. In this you can see here storage and cache. Just click on that. You need to click on the clear cache. After that you need to click on clear storage. Before clicking OK, you need to read this one. This app's data will be permanently deleted. This includes file settings, database and other app data. And click OK. After clicking OK, once you have to check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then try the fourth method. Open your Google Play Store. Then type here YouTube. If your YouTube app is not up to date, then update it from here. After that, check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then try the final method. Just tap on the settings, scroll down a little bit, just tap on the apps. Here you need to find YouTube. Just tap on the YouTube. Guys, top right side 3 dot, just tap on that and tap on the uninstall update. Before clicking OK, you have to read this one. Replace this apps with factory version. All data will be removed. After that, tap OK. All your YouTube updates will be removed from here. Guys, after doing all the settings, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix YouTube error 400 on Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.